Hello viewers, www.sejda.com is a website which allow editing of all types of PDF from one format to another format. Extracting file, deleting, adding, compression, extracting pages, extracting text. It allows 3 tasks per hour in free and paid version of the same is also available. Now a button edit a PDF document in front of you. Click on it and upload file, and let's go and browse the file. Let me browse this file. The file open in front of you. Now we can do any type of editing, like let me click text and I'll change step 1 into method 1. Font, a large number of fonts are available, so I can also change the font after editing. I can also change the color of the text. Placement and resizing is also available. Let's go once again, click text, and you can add a text out of the file already have the text. This is a text entirely different from the form. It's completely movable. You can also attach it to a link. So click on it and give me my YouTube channel address. Now if I click link and click the text, so the link appear at top. Now click the text, and this is a report of a laboratory. So let me change the data. I can change any figure, I can delete any text, and as well as any text could be converted or altered into any XYZ desired text. You can also press apply changes to save it. Now let me come to forms. This is one of the best option and ease for the reader. Let me set cross and once again go to form and tick mark, and let's go tick mark. It's the best and easy option. Now apply changes to save all the steps we took. Again go to image and add any image or click new image. So you can add image. The image could be resized, as well as change of the image could also be changed. Click this sign to see the preview of your file as well as the page number, and click cross to hide it for a better view. Sign is the best option, new sign, and you can upload or use camera, but let me draw. Click draw. So through mouse or your keypad you can make your signature and click save. Now paste it anywhere you like. You can also change the color of the sign. Now let's go innovate. This is also one of the best options. Strike through, highlight, underline, all options appear. So let me underline this text. It's done. Now let's go for shapes, line, rectangle, arrow. Let me draw a line to show connectivity to the reader. I can also change the direction of the line, or I can add or delete the line or any other shape. So let me go to shapes and ellipses. Now let's write, change the color, change the outer line, and you can also create by pressing duplicate. Delete option is also available. So let me delete it. It was just to guide you. Now let's come to undo. Remember, if you press the arrow sign back, so you will lose all the changes like this. So let me cancel, don't press leave, and undo changes, click this undo. all these steps are available, so you can undo any step regardless of their number. So let me click signature and revert. Now signature is been absent. Now let's click merge to combine few PDF file. So merge express, upload PDF file. Let me add these three files. Its preview is available. You can also see page preview to see all the pages. Now all the pages are available in front of you. You can also note the number. You can also click back file view and let's click merge PDF file. Now these options still available. You can use it. Click download and download option is in front of you. Now let me check it. It provides free 3 commands per hour. After that, paid version is also available. Now let's click delete pages. Click upload and choose a PDF file. Let me click it. It's a huge file, so when you hover over the picture, delete option appear. You can also enlarge the file. Apply changes to save your changes. And now let's go ahead. 3 tasks per hour is available. This is the paid version of this website. This is my favorite, OCR. Click it, upload a file, click on the file and open. And now we will extract all the text from the PDF file. Tick mark in the text, language option is also available. Text is marked, extract all, and now click download. Now the text would be available in soft. Let's see. Open this and let's go and open this file. Above is PDF, below is the soft text. Let's go and check it. Either it's editable. Let me delete. Let me now add more text, and after that I'll simply copy the text and bring it to MS Word just to show you the better look of the text. Now let me open it, and the same text is available in soft. I can change the font, increase, decrease, color changes, font color changes. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.